औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने लगी हूँ ENG514 का क्विज़ नंबर 4। इसकी जो स्टार्टिंग डेट है वो है 22 जनवरी और लास्ट डेट 24 जनवरी है। तो ये करंट क्विज़ की वीडियो है। इससे पहले एक रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो काइंडली सब्सक्राइब कर दे ताकि हर आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट MCQ से हमारे पास लैंग्वेज फोकस वोकैबुलरी लर्निंग रेजेस अवेयरनेस ऑफ डैश सिस्टमैटिक फीचर ऑफ वोकैबुलरी, सिंटैटिक, सिस्टमैटिक, लेक्सिकल, मॉर्फोलॉजिकल। तो करेक्ट आंसर है इसका बी, सिस्टमैटिक। नेक्स्ट MCQ है हमारे पास लैंग्वेज फोकस लर्निंग हैज़ एन इम्पोर्टेंट रोल टू प्ले इन डैश लैंग्वेज एक्विजिशन, फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर, सेकंड नेटिव। तो ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट, सेकंड। Which of the following session generally involves children organized in ability groups reading individual copies of the same book? Narratives, guided reading, none of the given option, exploratory talk। तो ऑप्शन बी हमारे पास करेक्ट है, गाइडेड रीडिंग। Planning for assessment of speaking and listening is central to learning and preparing, preparing, teaching and learning, reading and writing, none of the given choices। तो ऑप्शन बी हमारे पास करेक्ट है, टीचिंग एंड लर्निंग। Teachers are often part of classroom interaction both as contributor and as orator, moderator, collaborator, monitor। ऑप्शन डी करेक्ट है, monitor। Many fluency techniques involve the dash of skills: constructions, observations, exploration, linking। ऑप्शन डी करेक्ट है, linking। Which of the following activity is a sure way of developing fluency? Observation, focus, repetition, brainstorming। ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट है, repetition। In which of the following talk children challenge one another knowledge without offering reasons? Exploratory, cumulative, formal, disputationals। तो disputational ऑप्शन डी is correct। The primary purpose of teacher assessment is dynamic, summative, authentic, formative। ऑप्शन डी is correct। A clear outcome to an activity encourages a dash focus: word, meaning, reception, pronunciation। ऑप्शन बी correct है हमारे पास, meaning। Which of the following activity is a sure way of developing fluency? Brainstorming, observation, focus, repetition। ऑप्शन डी correct है, repetition। The aim of teacher assessment is to improve the quality of reading and listening, speaking and writing, none of the given option, teaching and learning। ऑप्शन डी हमारे पास correct है, teaching and learning। Which of the following exercise is used to teach relative clauses? Translocation, transformation, transcoding, modification। ऑप्शन बी correct है, transformation। In which of the following talks children challenge one another knowledge without offering reason? Formal, cumulative, disputationals, exploratory। तो ये फिर repeat हो रहा है, ऑप्शन सी is correct, disputational। A clear outcome to an activity encourages a dash focus: repetition, pronunciation, meaning, word। तो meaning correct answer है, ऑप्शन सी, ये भी repeat हुआ है। Which of the following assessment helps student to take an active part in their own learning? Formative, summative, self, teacher, self। ऑप्शन सी is correct। Which of the following techniques is used to deliberately trick someone? Error correction, collocation patterns, garden path, error repetition। ऑप्शन सी is correct, garden path। Which of the following talk is characterized by repetitions, confirmations and elaborations? Disputationals, exploratory, formal, cumulative। Cumulative, options D is correct। Fluency tasks should be largely dash processing: bottom up, top down, front up, none of the given option। ऑप्शन सी is correct, top down। लास्ट MCQ है जी हमारे पास, which of the following is measured by speed of access or production and by the number of recitations? Complexity, performance, accuracy, fluency। ऑप्शन डी is correct, fluency।